In this video, I will show you how to remove either the chain or the wand from your motor if you don't want anything hanging down. So first off, before you do anything, the string that is coming out of the motor head has to always be there. That is not going to ever be able to be removed. It's connected inside the motor, and if you break it out, there's no way of replacing it or putting it back in. But if you just want just the string there and to remove the chain or the wand, like I said, you will come to the end of the string. There is a clear plastic piece there and a gray plastic piece. You will hold the clear plastic piece and move the gray piece like lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So you move it to the left, it's gonna unscrew itself, and that clear piece will be all that's left. That has to stay there along with the string, and that's all you need to do to remove either the chain or the wand. If you ever want to put the chain or the wand back on, you just come back to the string, go to the clear piece, and you just twist that gray plastic piece right back on towards the right. And that's how you put it back on. Also, when you do remove your chain or wand, it's important to either keep the whole thing or at least keep just the clear plastic piece that's at the bottom of it underneath your tassel, because it contains the QR code that is specific to the motor that is here. So you will need that if you ever want to re-put it on the app